Andrea, welcome to Hankook TV.
Thank you.
Your first DTM race in 3 words.
Stressful, enjoy, and a lot of slide.
In the DTM car, there's not much fresh air around you. Do you open the windows?
No. But the dust come out, a lot of dust. I didn't expect.
3 words about the Hankook tyre.
The grip is really good.
Stop. That was 5 already. Any chance to put the Audi on 2 wheels in the corners?
No. I really don't want.
The most important feature a tyre should have for you?
The grip on the braking, what I really would like.
What would you do for a living if you weren't a racing driver?
I don't know. I never thinking about that.
Do you have a culinary tip for us here in Misano? Where and what to eat?
Everywhere here is nice. In Emilia Romagna, every place is really good, and then fish for sure.
Where would you go on holidays, Adriatic or Riviera?
Home.
Where's that?
Close to here, but not on the beach.
Maserati or Ferrari?
Ferrari.
Pizza or pasta?
Impossible to say. Both.
Andrea, mille grazie and ciao.
Thank you. Ciao.